Hi users, I'm going to demonstrate you today. That's a very new feature which I have implemented in your Podio, and that is a very hot and innovative word in the technology of information technology, and it's Open AI. That is Open Artificial Intelligence, and the most powerful feature of Open AI is Chat GPT. Okay, so here I've implemented some features of Chat GPT like giving you the templates from, or you're asking to for any query and it's giving you the answer. So mostly what I have seen, the real estate people, they need virtual assistant to send text, send autoresponders text or emails and those kind of stuff. They want follow-up sequence templates and they want to design their emails and their SMS template. So let's see that how we can use ChatGPT to make these kinds of templates. I'm telling you, as the ChatGPT is also upgrading itself, we are going to upgrade our services. But here is the very basic thing which we have brought to you. Now, first thing is what we can do is that, for example, there's a fresh lead. Maybe you have marketized yourself or your company to various platforms, or maybe you're doing some ROAR campaign, or you're doing it via ClickSend or MessageBot or any other service. And let's say you're using ROAR and sending 10,000 or maybe more than that leads SMS to the people, and they start replying you back. Maybe it's batch leads and launch control or whatever. So when they reply you back, maybe it can happen that you might be sleeping or you might be busy or you might not be able to attend so many messages. So in that case, what we can do is we can make the use of OpenAI to send the autoresponder text. For example, they responded that, hey, I want an offer on the property, so ChatGPT is going to give them offer on the property. For example, they replied that, hey, are you available? So ChatGPT is going to say, okay, I am available, but my working hours is this. So that is how you can put ChatGPT as AI bot and it can work on its own. So right now I'm going to show you here, I have the acquisitions app and I'm going to create a demo entry over here. Okay, and right now I'm putting my phone number over here. Okay, it says that the format should be +1. I'm just going to add my email. Okay, property address, let's say I'm going to add 331 and Saint. I'm going to pick something itself. Oh, maybe whatever address you're going to put over here, just number, street view, and all those kind of things. I'm just going to save this lead. Okay. Now, when I have saved this lead, I have a very interesting feature is enter prompt for Open AI. Now, what you can do over here is you can put the prompts. So people, they design a very beautiful prompts like this. For example, now it depends on how the prompt is set. For example, act as a successful, say, real estate. It's going to automatically check for my spellings also. Business owner in, let's say, USA, and design a text template to send to. You can also make use of the prompts at the rate first underscore name, and it's going to pick the first name from here. That is Rickson. Okay, and the first name um, to give him an offer on the property. I'm going to write at the rate property underscore address. So this is how I've written the prompt. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to put it over here. And so this is my prompt. So this is the knowledge theory which you are giving to OpenAI and to ChatGPT, and you are saying that okay, act as a successful real estate business owner in USA and design a text template to send to first name to give him an offer on the property. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to do the search now button. So this is sending a request to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is replying back with the content over here. And in the template app, in this template field over here, you're going to see that the content has been loaded. So this is it. Dear first name, I hope this message finds you a successful business owner in the USA. I'm interested in making an offer on the property located in St. Louis, MO, USA, you see. And when you're going to send this message, for example, when you're going to click this send template via text. So this message is going to send via text. Your name is going to get replaced with your name from the settings app, and first name is going to replace with Rickson. Okay, so this is how ChatGPT is implemented. For example, you want to send it via email. So what you can do is you can just add the subject for yourself and send it via email. Once you click on button send template via text, it's going to send this via text. If you want to send template via email, it's going to send template via email. Here you are going to see the SMS history, and over here you're going to see the email history. So it will be the email logs, and this one will be the SMS logs over here. Okay. Now, for example, the person replies back to you. You can also check this thing. Now, it can happen over here that you only want some of the things. Maybe you don't want these lines. Let's say just an example. You don't want this much, so you can make it cut and short. So it's totally customizable by you. It's giving you only the content, but you can edit yourself and then send the template text or anything else. Similarly, what we have over here is one of the more interesting feature is follow-up sequences. It's just like drips, but advanced drips where you can send the combination of text and combination of voicemails and emails together to your leads. For example, I have a follow-up template, and let's say I'm going to divide into 3 categories: warm, cold, and let's say hot leads. So what I'm going to do is hot leads. Put hot, let's say interested leads. So this is my title. Follow-up title should be very precise, but yes, it should tell that what type of template you want. I'm going to save the follow-up template first. Okay, I'm going to let this work. Give it a second, and it's going to happen. Now I want to design a text template, let's say. So to design the text template, I'm going to click on the text template field, and it's going to give me the text. Okay, I'm going to say text template. It's automatically going to pick that for how many actions it should make. You can also add more actions yourself, or it's going to do the work itself. Now, what ChatGPT is doing is ChatGPT is taking this follow-up title, hot interested leads, and it's generating some content which is soon going to be put over here. Okay, so these number of days are these are random, and these are coming by ChatGPT. So you can see till action 6 it has made this. Okay, you can add few more actions over here, and these contents are made by ChatGPT. For example, this one, you can see that hi, first name, just want to check and see if you're still interested in property as a property address. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, that's a good template, I think. Now let's say the second template. Hi, hope you have a great month. I wanted to remind you that the property is still available, ready for a new owner. Let me know. So you see that how beautifully it is making the templates. This is the power of OpenAI. They are, and if again, if you delete this one, you make new item, you say hot lead, and you click on the text template, it's really going to make you a different template. It's not going to copy and paste the same thing again. It's going to change the content again and again. So that's the great feature which I think OpenAI has given you. So there's no headache to how to design the template for follow-up sequences and all those stuff. When this template is done, just go over here and start your sequencer from here. Start drip sequence. You just need to do the start automatically, and you need to select that drip campaign from here and select that. So that is going to get started automatically. So this is how you can start the drip. Now you see you have made an email template. Now it has made email template. This one is SMS, this one is email. So it is sending a combination of SMS and email. So let's check out, let's say, email template. For this one, what's the email template? So see, this is the subject. This is also coming from ChatGPT. You're interested in is still noted. Hello, first name, just want to check and remind that you are interested in this. And you see, I think that's a very powerful thing which ChatGPT is giving me, and that's a totally integratable feature with Podio. So what we need to implement ChatGPT in your system is your Podio Premium account. That should be $24 per month account, Podio Premium, one Amazon EC2 server, and the credentials of ChatGPT with paid API services. Okay, so I think that's not a big deal. That's, I think, less than even $1 for one API request, and that's how it's going to work. So those are all the things. I hope you like it. If you want these type of integrations, please contact me. Thank you so much.